Hello, kindergartners and first graders. My name is Mrs. Beaverson, and I want to take you on a little tour of the choice boards that you get to um, choose some learning activities over the next couple days. So there is a lot of text, so you'll probably need a parent or guardian or older brother, sister, grandma, somebody, grandpa, to kind of help you out. And you can even share this video with them or watch it together. So up top, it gives you just a suggested schedule. We just want to make sure that you're taking breaks during the day, that you're not on your iPad and looking at the screen the whole time. And again, this is all a choice, so you get to choose. And we hope you have fun with it. So down below, as I scroll here a little bit, and excuse my finger being slow, is later on after today, at the end of the day, if you want, you can share your learning on Flipgrid. And some of you may have used this in your class before, and it may be new. But there are two different ways that you can share your learning if you are just going to use the web version, or if you have already downloaded the app on your iPad, you can follow those directions. And again, you'll probably need an adult's help for that. But for today's learning, you have a few choices. One choice is this theme exploration about pandas. So if you click on this blue learning about pandas and you see it's blue and underlined, anything that is blue and underlined means it's a link and it will take you to something else. So if you wanted to really dive deep and spend a lot of time on pandas, you can click on this and it will bring you to a doc. So I clicked on it and nothing really happened other than this popped up. So I have to click on it again. And again, there is some text, so you're going to have somebody help you. But you can do different activities and around pandas. Sorry, I kind of lost my train of thought there for a minute. And again, if you see these links, this says Watch Giant Pandas 101. Here's some panda bear information, and there's a video in there too. Now, if I want to get back to my choice board, I have some things open. On an iPad, the best thing you can do is if you double click your home button, you can see what is open. Now, of course, I did that, and the only thing I have open is this. That's because instead I need to go up here to that choice board. So I did the double click. Nothing really popped up. So this is one of the things that we want you to do today too, is to problem solve, to figure some things out. Okay, so I clicked on the wrong thing. So now I need to click over here on the choice board. All right, so you have the choice to kind of do this theme exploration around pandas, or down below, we have lots of great activities for you. They are broken into literacy, reading and writing, math, social studies, science, specials, and then self-care. And as you scroll down, you can choose which one you would like to do. Now, let's say that you want to watch the Sesame Street video about patterns. So again, anything that has that blue and underline is a link. So I can click on that, and then I'm also going to have to click on that. So you have to click twice. And I'm going to open it up, and it takes a minute to load. And I'm going to watch the video about patterns. Now again, I'm going to watch the video, but there was something else I needed to do. So again, if I double click that home screen, now you can see I have my video open and I have my choice board. So I can click back on the choice board. Also within this choice board, there might be some links to images. And we just want you to have fun. We want you to choose things that interest you, and also know that if you are having difficulties, a link isn't working, one thing you can do is to try it again, to close it down. One thing we can do is if I double click this, for some reason this wasn't working, I close it, I can open it back up, and I can click on it. I'm like, maybe it'll work again. There's lots on here for you to choose from. So if something isn't
Sometimes you need to get away from the
sorry. If something isn't working or you can't get logged in, that's okay. Move on, find something different. Go back to it later. We want you to have fun. We want you to learn. We want you to create. And we want you to explore. And so that is all the wonderful things in there. If I scroll back up, I'm getting there. Stay with me. Again, at the end of the day, if you'd like to share your learning, you can share it with us on Flipgrid. And I will show you what that looks like. So I'm going to click twice to get to my home. Now I have the Flipgrid app on my iPad, and I know it is here somewhere. Okay. You're going to need a code, and the code is written on that doc. Enter the code. So let's look. Let's go back and find what that code was. The code was 72. Maybe I can just copy it. Copy. So I clicked on it and then I clicked copy. My 5th graders that I had during distance learning helped me with that. Paste, paste, go. I'm going to join with Google. I'm going to continue. I'm just going to click my name. And here we go. So it says share one thing you have learned about, worked on, or created while working on your choice board or exploration project. Here's a little video that I made for you, just explaining that again. You can share your first name and where you go to school, and so then you would click on record a response. Once I do that, I then get this wonderful camera. Here I am. And so I could then record my response. But I'm not going to right now. So I'm going to click out of there. I need to get back to what I was working on. So again, I'm going to double click on the home screen. I'm going to go back to my choice board, and I'm going to end there because maybe I'm going to choose another activity. So that is what we have for you over the next few days. Again, choose what you like. Choose what you're interested in. Take some time to read. Take some time to take a break, get away from your iPad, maybe go outside and play. Hopefully the weather will be nice. And that is it. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for just being you. Thanks.